Hi there. Today we are going to be reading and highlighting Lesson 3 of Unit 1, Earth in Motion. Open up your student reader and look at the table of contents. We will be looking at Lesson 3, which starts on page 31. Visiting Space. Overcoming Gravity. Scientists sent Curiosity to Mars on a rocket in November 2011. The rocket launched from Cape Canaveral in Florida. More than 13,000 people watched it take off. As scientists counted down, there was a loud noise. A trail of fiery gas seemed to push the rocket upward into the sky. When a rocket takes off, an engine pushes hot gas down toward the ground. In reaction, the rocket moves up through the atmosphere. The huge upward force is important. There has to be enough force to overcome the pull of Earth's gravity. A force is a push or pull that acts on an object, changing its shape, direction, or speed. Balanced and unbalanced forces. Forces are all around us. There are forces acting on you right now, even if you can't feel them. Gravity is a force because it is pulling down on you. Forces always come in pairs. For example, when you stand on the ground, gravity pulls you down toward the center of the earth. In reaction, the ground has its own force that pushes back up. This keeps you from sinking into the ground. The same thing happens when you lean against a wall. You apply a force to the wall. The wall applies the same amount of force in return. In this case, the forces are balanced. Forces can also be unbalanced. If the wall is not strong enough, the force of you leaning against the wall will cause it to collapse. This is because you applied a greater force to the wall than the wall returned. Leaving Earth. All motion is caused by unbalanced forces. All events, including motion, have a cause. When all of the forces acting on an object are balanced, the effect is that the object will not change its motion. If you want to move, there has to be an unbalanced force acting on you to cause the motion. Picture a swing. If you sit on the swing, you won't move. However, if someone pushes you, you will start to move. That person provided a large enough force to cause you to move. Rockets also need an unbalanced force to launch into space. They use engines that force hot gas downward. The force of the hot gas causes the rocket to move upward. If the upward force is strong enough to overcome gravity pulling down, the rocket will launch off the ground. And that is the end of Lesson 3. Make sure you have finished highlighting everything you need to highlight, and I'll catch you in the next video.